Hey, it's John-Marc and thanks for checking out my latest drawing video on teaching you how to draw cartoons in 3 easy steps. Well, as you can see, we're going to be doing a pumpkin scarecrow, and if you like to do either one of them, I think this one will be a fun one for you to do. And speaking of which, how about a challenge and possibly change it up? What if you took the pumpkin away and put a Count Dracula's face there, or a mummy's face, or better yet, a bat? You know, that's using your imagination. That would be a fun thing to work at the same time when you're working on this one. As you remember, watch your drawing, and when you're sketching, sketch very light with your pencil the first one and go a little darker and get a little bit more detail to the final third step when you get a little bit more detail and a little bit more control of the pencil. But practice that sketching, and as always and always, I think we're ready to begin this lesson. Here's step 1. And here's step 2. And here's the final third step. Don't forget to stop at our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, I'm sure you're going to enjoy our latest drawing book that's now available on our website, How to Draw 50 Cute Cartoons. So make sure you stop at our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. And thanks a lot.